7 ways to start an online business for 2020. Okay, so you want to start an online business, but you're a little bit nervous. What's the best business for you? Which ones almost guarantee success with a whole lot less effort? Which ones don't require big investments? In this video I'm going to cover all of those things, and we're starting right now. Hey, thanks so much for coming to my channel. Check it out, lots of videos for you to watch, but do me a favor, subscribe, hit that subscribe button there, and bell notifications. The bell is meant to be rung, and you need to click it, turn on all notifications. You become part of the Fisher family, the VIP group that gets notified every single time I do one of these videos. Now, to give you a little bit of background, I started selling online in 2009. I've sold millions of dollars of both digital and physical products, and this channel here, this channel thing we've got going on, is for one purpose. It's to teach you how to start, run, and grow your online business. So all I do is I share with you the things that I'm doing so that you can use those things and make money for yourself. In this particular video, I want to show you basically how to start a really profitable business in 2020. Okay, so let's get started. Oh, I almost forgot, I have a course. Yes, of course I do. I have a $97 course, but guess what? I'm not going to sell it to you. I want to give it to you. I want to give it to you absolutely free for a limited time. Check down in the description. As long as that link works, you got to click it. And at some point I'm not going to be doing it for free, but if you click it and it works, you're good to go. All you have to do is click and learn. $97 course for free, pretty good deal. No credit card required. Check that out. Also, if you've already tried to start a business, you've had some success, you've had some issues, make sure you put those comments below. I'd love to hear about it. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Let's get going. Okay, number one, best business to start. What would you think it is? I tell you, it is a clothing business. What? I don't have a clothing business. I can't even afford to buy clothing. I don't have any designs. I don't have any of that stuff. Guess what? You don't need to anymore. You can actually design products now, t-shirts, hoodies, cups, mugs, hats, for free. You can actually design them for free. Yeah, there's actually sites that you can go to. You can design these things, and you can actually print them on t-shirts and sweatshirts and all that in different colors and sizes, and you don't have to invest anything in inventory. Nothing. You can go to Printify, you can go to Printful, and there's a lot more like that, but I'm going to give you those two, Printify and Printful, and I'll put links below so that you can click and learn, and you can make whatever product you want and put it up for sale. You can put it up for sale on your site, you can put it up for sale on social media, you can put it up for sale on their site, and guess what? Here's the best part. You don't have any inventory. When somebody actually buys the product, you send the order to Printify or Printful, they actually print it up, they box it all up, they put it in the mail, off it goes, and your buyer gets it, and you did nothing. All you did was list it. It's really that simple. Now, if you don't want to make your own designs, you can hire somebody on Fiverr, you can use Canva for free, you can use Photoshop if you have that. All you gotta do is come up with a design, upload it to one of these sites, they'll put it on the shirt for you, and boom, you are in business. Okay, that's the number one thing, is start a clothing line. Number two, start a drop shipping store. Now, I actually have a course on that called Ecom Road. You may want to check it out. But bottom line is, a drop shipping store is where you're going to list a product on your site. Somebody's going to come to your site, they're going to buy it, or you can list it on social media, you can send them an email about the product, send them to a sales page. Once they buy the product, you're going to send that order to your drop shipper. Your drop shipper is then going to send it out to the customer. You're done. Okay, you're going to keep the profit between what you pay your drop shipper and what you sell it to the customer for. So let's say you have a $10 product and you sell it for $25. Your drop shipper sends it out, you pay him $10, you keep $15. You never had to touch the product. Now, this is done through AliExpress or a drop shipper of your choice, and usually a Shopify store or your own website. But it's a great business to start, and I got to tell you, a lot of those ads you see like on Facebook and Twitter and all that, those are all drop shipping items. They're not buying those items, they don't have inventory on those items, they don't keep those items, those are drop shipped, and you can make money without investing in inventory. Number three, sell art online. What is art? Art could be a picture, art could be a video, art could be music. There are so many sites now that charge for pictures and music and videos, and you can actually list them there and get a commission every time somebody buys them. I'll give you an example. The Drum Broker, which is the largest online drum sampling business in the world. The Drum Broker, who would have thought, right? There's also Fetch app, ShipStation. If you're an artist, I'm not, but if you're an artist and you're really good at photography, you're really good at shooting them short videos of cities or drone images or whatever you want to do, you can upload them to these sites and actually earn a commission every time somebody buys them. They drive all the traffic. All you have to do is supply the content, which is pretty easy to do. Number 4, become a freelance writer, designer, or developer. Now, you can do all kinds of stuff. You can work on websites, you can edit videos, you can build WordPress websites, you can do SEO, you can do SEM, do social media, whatever you're good at, whatever you like doing. Go to either Fiverr or Upwork. Fiverr or Upwork. Now there's a lot more sites. There's Guru, there's freelancer.com, but any of these sites you can actually set up a profile, and once you set up the profile there, people will look for you and hire you for jobs. Now if you want to be proactive, which I recommend, I always recommend being proactive, look at some of the jobs being offered, go to some of those jobs in the beginning before anybody contacts you, because you have no testimonials, you have no samples yet, and tell them that you will do their job at a discount because you want to get some testimonials. So maybe there's $100 job there and you say, hey, that job that you're willing to pay $100 for, I'll do it for $50 if you promise to give me a testimonial. Don't tell them if they promise to give you a good testimonial, because they can't do that if you don't do good work. But if you do good work, you're going to get a good testimonial, especially for somebody that you gave a 50% discount to. Now some of you will say, well, I don't want to work for free, I don't want to do that, I'll just wait. Well, your waiting could cost you a lot of money, because if you do a little free work up front and you get some testimonials, you could immediately start getting jobs. So I highly recommend you do it with my method. Number 5, teach an online course. I already do this. Okay, I have courses. I have courses on Shopify, I have courses on Facebook ads, I have courses on drop shipping. I have all kinds of different courses, and these courses generate money for me day in and day out. Why not let that work for you too? If you have any skills, maybe it's sales, maybe it's photography, maybe it's editing, maybe it's website design, do a course, put that course online and charge for it. Now there's plenty of places you can put a course. You can put it on Udemy, but I like actually putting it on my own site and driving traffic to it. That way I have control over it. So all my courses are built in Kartra. If you don't know what Kartra is, it's a great software program. It will help you do courses, it will help you do emails, it will help you do sales pages and sales funnels, and I'm going to put a link below. You can actually watch a video on Kartra and what it does, and if you like it, which I don't know why you wouldn't, if you like it, you can click the link and you can actually get a trial for only $1. So check that out. Online courses is a multi-billion-dollar business. You might as well take advantage of that. I know I have, and I'm very happy that I have at this point. Number 6 is flip, thrift, store finds. What do I mean by that? These thrift stores, you can buy some stuff cheap, guys. Matter of fact, I know Gary Vee actually went around to garage sales one weekend. He's a multi-millionaire, and he was trying to say, hey, all you gotta do is go buy some stuff and put it up on eBay and sell it. It's really that easy. And he actually went around to garage sales and did that. I think that's a great video. I'll try to put a link to his video on doing that. But bottom line is, you can go out on the weekends and pick up, you know, $100, $200, $300 worth of stuff, put it on eBay and turn it into $500 or $1,000. If you're making 500 bucks a weekend or $1,000 a weekend, that's a good supplemental income for most people. Number 7, publish your own book. Now I used to think writing a book, oh my God, that's so much work, that's gonna be so difficult. Well, here's the truth about publishing a book. The shorter it is, the better it is. Yeah, it takes the heat out of writing a 300-page book, doesn't it? You know what, I've got a book that's 40 pages and 60 pages, right? And that sells really well because it's an ebook too. Wow. Then I can actually email the book to people. I've sold thousands of these books, and I also have published books too, and you know, regular softback books. But I tell you, these ebooks are great because people don't want to read a 120-page book. I have a book called The Great American Food Shortage that predicted that a pandemic could come and we could have a food shortage. Hey, what do you know about that? I'll put a link down there. Yeah, they thought I was crazy when I wrote that book, but guess what? we lived through it, or we're living through it. It's not over with yet. Oh my God, by the time you watch this, I hope it's over with. I hope we were okay. I think we will be. Bottom line is, publish a book about any subject, about, you know, dog training, about artwork, about DIY. It doesn't matter. There's probably an audience for it. Search online now. If you find other books that are on that subject, buy one or two of those books, see what they wrote about, write the same kind of stuff. Don't copy it, but write the same kind of stuff. If it's already working for somebody else, it'll probably work for you. All in all, guys, those are some of the top ways that you can make money online nowadays. It really is amazing. You know, I think so many people in today's society are really missing the boat. They know that people are making money online, but they haven't investigated it, and that's fine with me, because then I make more money. But bottom line is, you can too. If you take any one of these suggestions and you apply it, you can make money today. You don't have to go to that job tomorrow. You just don't. Okay, well, maybe tomorrow you do, but you got to get started on this first. But once you get started on this, guys, I'm telling you, if you apply this, I mean, your whole life could be different. And I want to tell you, because of the pandemic, more people want to buy online than ever before. So whatever audience you had pre COVID-19, you have a bigger audience now. You have more people wanting what you've got. I don't care if it's a physical product, I don't care if it's a digital download, I don't care what it is. There's a bigger audience out there. Take advantage of this time in your life. Who knows how long it'll be here? It's here now. Do it, make money, and earn. Quit the job, okay? A whole lot easier to do this. It's hard work. I'm not gonna tell you it's not hard work, but I tell you, it's a whole lot more rewarding. In addition to that, don't forget, I have a $97 course. It is free. Go down in the description, click on the link. As long as it still works, you may want to check it. It's still free. I'm gonna have it free for a limited amount of time, so make sure you click it, get in on that. You don't have to have a credit card or anything like that. You don't have to have good credit, nothing. Just grab the course. Super important. And do me a favor, put a comment on this video. Let me know what you thought of the video. Let me know what you thought of some of these ideas. Maybe you have some ideas that have worked for you, or you've heard that worked out, or maybe you have some questions. Put that in the comments below. I would really appreciate that. Give me a thumbs up if you would, or a thumbs down if you don't want to. That's fine too. Give me some reaction. I would really appreciate that. I really would. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell. The bell. Did you hear the bell? You got to ring the bell. And once you ring the bell, you got to turn on all notifications. There's a little drop down there and it'll say all notifications. You go, yep, that's what I want, all notifications, because I want to be part of the Fisher family. I want to be the VIP who knows about these videos before anybody else does, so I don't have to search for them. Save me some time and energy. That's all I'm trying to do. Hey guys, I appreciate you watching this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Hey, thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click that little bell right there so you can be notified every time I do a new video. Also, click on one of those videos there. Keep watching on my channel.